What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications to be notified when I drop new videos just like this. And you want to be notified when I drop new videos like this because these videos are going to help grow your business, which is going to help grow your bank account. Now, the topic of discussion today is going to be TikTok Spark ads, right? So similar to Facebook, how you can run an ad for a photo or a video that you already posted on your Facebook page, TikTok Spark ads is pretty much the same thing as that. So a video that you or a different creator that gave you permission has already posted to their platform, you can then use that video with its engagement and run it as an ad. And it's beneficial because, well, for one, it gives a lot of social proof. So let's say you have a viral video on your TikTok profile, then now we can use that video, and that video will now already have likes, comments, and views, and it will have already proven to do well on the TikTok platform, which is the major key, right? So that is what a TikTok Spark ad is, and I'm going to show you guys how you can set it up from start to finish to help you run better ads. Y'all ready? Let's go.
What's up, guys? So going to show you guys how you guys can set up your Spark ads. So we're in our demo account right here, just to show you guys what you need to do and all of the different things that go into the process of setting up your Spark ads. And Spark ads are just going to be ads that are already posted on your TikTok, and then you can run them from there. So this can be a post from your own TikTok page, or if you are dealing with any UGC creators, you can take a post from their page that you have authorization to use. So let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the top underneath assets, and then we're going to go to creatives. Once we get to creatives, what we're going to do is go down to Spark ad posts. So as you guys can see, I already did one right here, but I'm going to show you guys how you can do one for yourself, right? So what we want to do is select this pinkish reddish button right here, apply for authorization. And now this form comes up, apply for authorization, enter the TikTok post code and preview the post. And then here are the instructions right here. Open TikTok, select ad settings, click to copy code. So I'm going to cut to a screen recording on my phone just so I can show you guys exactly how this is done. So open up TikTok and go to the post you want to use. Click those three dots at the bottom and scroll all the way down to ad settings on the right. Scroll till you see ad settings. Once that opens up, you want to hit add authorization and toggle that on. Once that, go to video code and select generate. I like to give myself at least 365 days for the code since it's me. Then you want to hit save. After save, hit video code and hit manage, and then you want to copy that code, and then you'll have the code, you'll be good to go. So after you get the code from TikTok, what you want to do is go here and select paste, and paste that code right into here and select search. So your post should come up right here. This should be the post that you copy the code for, and then you want to select confirm. Post authorized, use it to create Spark ads, and now we are going to select create ad. And we're going to start over. And now we are at the point where we are selecting our advertising objective. So we can select a reach campaign, we can select a traffic campaign, a video views, lead generation, community interaction, app promotion, or website conversions. So depending on what your strategy is, what you're actually looking for is going to determine what objective that you use. So I get asked all the time, which objective should I use? Which objective should I use? But I can't answer that question without knowing what you're trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. So most people, they're gonna say, I want more sales, right? So then you would probably look to create a website conversions campaign, but other people, they may want to generate leads. They may want more views for a certain video, or they just want the maximum of people to see their ad, right? So there's very different reasons why people advertise. So understanding why you're advertising and what your goal is very important so we can determine the objective. So for this example, we're going to select website conversions. And this is just going to be an example. So let's just name this one example conversions. Make sure you guys always name your ad campaign. It'll help you guys out a lot if you have multiple campaigns, so you know what's what. And then we're going to go to continue. So now here is where we can select our pixel. We're now in the ad group section. So we're going to select our pixel. We're going to select our optimization event. Again, you would select whatever pixel you have. You would select whatever optimization event that you are using. For placements, I like to do automatic placements. Don't need ACO right now, automated creative optimization. And now we're getting down to the section of targeting, right? So I recommend you guys either test a broad audience, a business or an interest stack audience, or a lookalike stack audience. So those are the three audiences that I would recommend you guys test to cold traffic. And a broad audience would be exactly how it is right now. Just no targeting at all. Everything would be left bare, everything would be left empty. And the reason why we want to do this is because we're going to let the TikTok algorithm determine who our ideal client is, determine who's the best fit for what we have. So after you let your ads run for a while, you'll start to see that you'll have some data, and then you can look at that data. You can say, okay, who are the people who are converting? Are these people over 35? Are these people under 35? And then from there, you can refine your targeting once you had some initial data. But until you have that data, then you need to make sure that you're at least testing a broad audience. Now, I'm not saying that's the only audience you should test, but that's definitely an audience that you should test. So let's just keep this broad so you guys can see. And again, I have other videos on the other interests that I mentioned that you guys should be testing. So check those videos out that I posted previously. Again, so we're leaving everything bare. And another reason why we want to do this is so we can get a large audience. We want a very large audience. Let the TikTok algorithm do its job, and let's see who are the people who are converting and giving us the results that we want. So for this, I would leave targeting expansion off. Don't really need it right now. And for budget and schedule, you guys select whatever budget that you would need, whatever budget you guys feel comfortable with, whatever you guys can spend, you guys will put that in right there. And if you want to run ad group continuously after the scheduled time, then you would just put the time right there and you can select that. And then going down to bidding and optimization, the optimization goal is conversions, bid strategy, lowest cost, and now let's go to next. And now that we get to the ad level, this is where we're actually going to toggle the TikTok account to deliver Spark ads and stuff like that, so you can actually get your Spark ad into the campaign, right? So the first thing that we're going to do, where it says identity and it says use TikTok account to deliver Spark ads, you see how it's toggled off. What we want to do is toggle that on. And now that it's toggled on, you'll have two options. So you can set what TikTok account you like to use. So you can use an account owned by you or use other authorized account or post. So I just showed you guys how to set it up with a post. So I'm going to use authorized account or post, right? Now scrolling down to ad details, we want to make sure we're selecting TikTok post. Going down even further where it says add creative and then post, we want to select TikTok post right here. And now we're going to be brought up to all of the Spark ads that we actually placed inside of our creative section like I showed you guys earlier. So you guys can do as many as you want. I just showed you guys one so you guys can see how you can actually do it. But I'm going to select one right here. I'm going to select this one. And now we will be able to use it, right? So the only thing about using Spark ads is that you can't change the text. So if you know you want to use something for Spark ads, when you post it on TikTok, make sure you have the caption that you would want to use for the ads already in there, so you won't have to worry about that, right? So if I was going to seriously run this as a Spark ad, I would have to stick with this caption right here. I wouldn't be able to give any call to action because I didn't do it initially in my initial TikTok video. Continuing on, interactive add-ons you don't need. Destination page, this is where you're going to put your website URL right there. Definitely want that. Make sure you have your URL in there. And then over here, by checking this box, you confirm you have the right to use this music in this ad for commercial purposes. So you definitely want to check that box. By checking this box, you agree for the ad and the associated performance metrics of the campaign to be displayed in the TikTok for Business Creative Center. Now you can click that box if you want to, but you don't have to. And yeah, so that's pretty much the whole setup. It's kind of similar to setting up a regular campaign, just a little bit different up here when we get to the posts. But yeah, guys, after you guys have everything set up, if you wanted to add more creatives, you can either duplicate this right here, or you can add another one right here, and then you will be all set to go. You would hit submit. TikTok would review your ads, and if they think everything is good to go, your ad will start running.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications for more videos just like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.